These are the best auto-tune that every producer need to take his or her mixing to the next level. Let's check them right after the intro. Alright guys, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution Kara, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, I subscribed. Now guys, we are in FX Studio and we're gonna look at the best auto tune that every producer need. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is to double click and route this to mixer track 1. Then let's go to the mixer track, change the color once again. I want everything to be different. Alright, so this pretty nice. What I'm gonna do is to create a channel by giving it a pink color. Then on this art channel I'm gonna introduce reverb. Alright, I'm gonna use my favorite. You know I love using Valhalla vintage reverb. I'm gonna cut off some of the low ends like this. How do you send this? Insert channel 1 to our reverb. All you need to do is to click on that, then just click here. Alright, so this is gonna route the insert track 1 to the reverb track. So we're gonna control the amount of the reverb we wanna add to our vocals. So the very first auto tune is Autotune EVO. Alright, this is one of the best auto tune that you can actually get. Click on that, and guys, we're gonna set the key. For this is a C minor. Push the routine speed. Guys, give it a little bit humanized. Comment, let me know your favorite auto tune. Listen to this. Alright, the next auto-tune on my list after Autotune EVO is Autotune 8.1. Alright guys, this is also crazy. Let's change the keys. Push the routine speed. Today we are only touching the routine speed and the humanized knob. Now listen. Moving on to the next auto-tune on my list. The next auto-tune on my list after Autotune 8.1 is Autotune Pro. Alright guys, these auto-tunes are crazy. From Antares, push the routine speed. Let's resize it a little bit, give it a little bit humanized. Now listen to this. Let me know your favorite. Alright, the next auto tune on my list is Autotune ES Plus, and this is crazy. Change the key, push the routine speed all the way up, then give it a little bit humanized. If you want to know how to create unique vocals using Autotune ES Plus, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or you can go to my channel and watch that after this. Alright, so listen to Autotune ES Plus on our vocals. Now the next auto tune on my list is Autotune FX. So this was the old version of Autotune ES Plus. Alright, change the key, push the routine speed all the way up, give it a little bit humanized. Listen to this. Guys, let me know your favorite. Comment in the description box. Now the next auto tune on my list is Autotune Artist. If you want to know how to use Autotune, then watch my previous videos and I will take you through step by step. Give it a little bit humanized. Listen to this. The last auto tune on my list is Autotune Artist. We're gonna change the key, push the routine speed all the way up like that, then give it a little bit humanized minimum. Listen. Alright guys, so if you are aiming for the best auto tune, then you can go for any of these Autotune from Antares. I mean, Antares are doing great. They have not sponsored this video, but I found their plugins to be amazing if you want to take your mixing to the next level. Now that you know the best Autotune, then watch the next video to know how to use Autotunes like a pro. I mean, the secret to Autotuning like the pros. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.